Hello children, let's learn some colors. Light green color, yellow color, blue color, pink color, red color, black color. Let's draw some shapes. Black color, hexagon, cross, heart, arrow, star, octagon, orange color, hexagon, red color, cross, yellow color, heart, pink color, star, sky blue color, arrow, green color, octagon, orange color, hexagon, red color, cross, yellow color, heart, pink color, star, sky blue color, arrow, green color, octagon. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.